Okay, just came up back on now. So now we need to add the password on this thing. So you should have a password for it. Okay, it's good. We got a red light here, so turn that off. Press start. We're loading it up. Still loading. Okay, so we're gonna start with setup here. Work parameters. We need to put our input here. So one is 360 kilonewtons, 180, 180, and 260 on the interior one, which is number 4. So work tolerance, we're playing with 0.550, and tolerance is 2 point. Okay, so that looks good there. Kilonewtons millimeter, we normally don't touch that. So let's hit back. Go to spam. This will be your jacks here. So that's metric right now. I don't understand metric, but whoever does can use it. I click on metric, go to imperial. That's our jacks. Okay. Sorry, that's our whatever, I forgot what that was. Okay, these are area affected jacks. Okay, so we got 1 jack per section, which is 85 square inches. Okay, that's set up correctly. The far side we don't touch. That's good. So hit back, make sure you go back to metric, and that also is perfect. And you go back and hit back again, and now you go to movements. So we're gonna go into automatic mode. Okay, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Okay guys, we got it going. So the oil was too cold, the sensor there. So we have to put on our heaters for the oil, hydraulic oil. So now we got it going, everything's good to go. We did have a little bit of load, as you can see down here. We got 13, 14, 11, and 14 kilonewtons. That means the jacks are touching its surface now. So we're gonna go up ready. So we got port 1, 2, 3, and 4 jacks like I told you. And we're gonna go plus 15 mils, which you can see down here at the bottom. So on automatic, everything's zeroed in. We reset. And once my buddy gets down there, we're gonna jack this up. As you can see. Sorry, I'm gonna turn this off. I forgot to put the USB in. So what you do, you go to control panel and you hit your data record, insert your USB stick right there, start play, which it is already, and we're good to go there. Okay, so you hit the button back, we did all the settings already. Go back to movement, automatic, and we're all set here. So just waiting on my buddy to get down there, and we'll get going. Hey Randy, you hear me?
Okay, Randy.
How does everything look? Good. The jacks are touching?
Everything looks good.
Okay. So I'm gonna go up, okay?
Go ahead.
Going up. So I'm gonna hit start cycle, guys. And here we go. So you're gonna see this line up here move, which you started seeing already. We got about 1 mil almost, half a mil, 1 mil right now. That's good. Three mils. The load to 238, 270. We're almost at the limit of the. What's that? Yeah, that's good. I'm about 7 mils right now. How's the dry pack holding up? You got daylight? On all of them? Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, I just paused it. Yeah. So everything is good. Okay. Okay, start locking the nuts down, okay? And we'll go from there. Okay? Okay, so as you've seen, guys, so I pause it and look at that. 998, 998, 998, and 954. Look at that, synchronized lift. That's what it's called. So we're good now. We're gonna lower the jacks, not lower the jacks, but we're gonna tighten up the lock nuts on the jacks, and we should be good. All right, thanks. Okay guys, so we got everything locked up. So now what you do, you hit the delta position, change that minus 15. So we're gonna drop it now. So then we can take everything apart, and then we're just locking them in place. We'll be back in a week to drop the bridge down. So start cycle. You can see the numbers are going to be going down. Shouldn't move that much. The loads is all gone. That's perfect. So the load's on the jacks. So we have the valves there. We close the valves off, and that's holding the load. So 991, 991, 991, and 947. That's pretty cool. Okay, so stop cycle. Stop the cycle now. So now you needed the, you can see in the gauge there, there's still a load there on that gauge, so you won't be able to take the lines out, our hoses. So you got to depressurize this. So you go back, hit depressurize, and that's good. All your things came on and everything. So just get rid of it, right? Deselect. And maybe just hit start cycle, and it drops it. See that? Down to 0. So now, as that came down to depressurize, you got an air, right? That's the air telling you all the sensors are on. See, 5, 6, 7. So you need to deselect that so you can get it back to green over there. Right? So movements, automatic, deselect. Right on, and then you should click that and it should go green, and there you go, it's good to go. Okay.